or
I'm going to be really clear. India has not deterred Pakistan. Deterrence is judged in the behavior of the adversary or the target country where the deterrence is being attempted. There's no evidence that Pakistan has been deterred. So what I fully anticipate is, because this is part of Pakistan's strategic culture, it is part of Pakistan's strategic aims, that after 4 to 5 years, there's going to be another terrorist attack, just like we had at Pahalgam. Now, India has put itself in a very perilous situation by making these proclamations, by not engaging or not committing to engage in proportionate responses. Despite what the jingoistic media has said in India and has completely misinformed Indians, India has not decisively defeated Pakistan. Pakistan did not run with its tail between its legs. In fact, it's dangerous to misunderestimate the victories that Pakistan believes it chalked up in this conflict. So this conflict escalated faster than India had anticipated, and make no mistake, India also wanted someone to help find an off-ramp to de-escalate the conflict. So unfortunately, with the jingoistic media, it creates political expectations amongst the people that then generate military requirements that become increasingly implausible. So the next crisis is going to be even more dangerous than this one, is what's going to happen. But rest assured, there's going to be another crisis.
Yeah, I take what you're saying about Pakistan's, approach to things. But I'd say one thing to you, Dr. Christine Phair. I know this is part of the narrative that is sold to the West, that the media in India is jingoistic and the Indian media...
It is jingoistic. This show is jingoistic.
Let me